Welcome to Finance Investor Lab. Happy New Year 2026. Everyone's making resolutions today. Gym, healthy eating. But the smartest ones are focusing on money. According to real surveys from Motley Fool and Vanguard, over half of Americans have financial goals this year, but most struggle to stick with them. Today, I'll share the top 5 financial resolutions for 2026 that actually work. Backed by data, beginner-friendly, and simple to start. No complicated stuff. Just real steps to make 2026 your strongest money year. Let's go. Intro. Why these resolutions? First, quick context. Surveys show the number one financial worry is debt and unexpected expenses. Motley Fool's report says 25% of people prioritize paying off debt, while Vanguard found 84% want to build emergency funds. These resolutions are the most popular because they fix real problems. High interest debt, low savings, and no budget. I'll explain each one step by step, why it works in 2026, and how to start today. Resolution number 1, pay off high interest debt. Top resolution, number 1, pay off high interest debt, especially credit cards. Why? It's the number one goal for 25% of Americans per Motley Fool survey. Average credit card balance is over $6,700 with crazy interest rates. In 2026, with rates possibly stabilizing, this is the best time. Step by step, list all debts by interest rate, highest first, avalanche method, or smallest balance, snowball for motivation. Pay minimums on everything, extra on the target one. Tools, balance transfer cards for 0% intro rates, or apps like Debt Payoff Planner. Real tip, cut one expense like dining out to free up $100 a month. Compounds fast. Resolution number 2, build an emergency fund build or boost your emergency fund to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Vanguard survey shows this as a top goal for 84%. Protects from job loss or surprises in uncertain 2026 economy. Step by step, calculate your monthly essentials. Rent, food, bills, a $1,000 starter of 0. Open a high-yield savings account for 5%. Auto transfer $50, $200 a month. Beginner hack, sell unused stuff on eBay or Facebook Marketplace for quick boost. Why it works, peace of mind, no more panic borrowing. Resolution number 3, create and stick to a budget. Make a realistic budget and track it. WalletHub and Truist surveys call this key. Helps cut spending, another top goal. Step by step, use 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings debt. Free apps, Mint or YNAB to link accounts and track automatically. Review weekly, first month. Real 2026 twist. Factor in rising costs like travel. 30% saving for vacations per Motley Fool. Tip, no spend challenges 1 week, month to build habit. Resolution number 4, increase savings charge retirement contributions. Save more overall, especially for retirement or short-term goals. Experian and Empower highlight, boosting 401k or IRA. 2026 limit $2,400 for 401k. Travel vacations, top savings goal at 30%. Step by step, max employer match first, free money. Increase contributions 1 to 2% now for short term. Separate high yield account for goals like car or trip. Beginner, start 50-month auto invest in index funds. Resolution number 5, diversify and educate yourself. Diversify investments and learn more. With AI stocks and markets uncertain, spread risk, stocks, some crypto exposure, safe assets. Step by step, 40% index funds, S&P 500, 20% crypto Bitcoin ETF. If comfortable, rest savings. Read free resources or watch channels like this. Track monthly progress. Final take plus Q&A. These 5 are the most realistic and popular for 2026. Start one today for big wins by year end. Q&A, low income, start 5 to 10%. Overwhelmed, pick just number 1 or number 2 first, not advice, DYR. Comment your number 1 resolution for 2026. I'll reply and pick one to help fund. Like, if committing, subscribe for more. Happy New Year. Let's make 2026 wealthy.